Out on the American farm, powerful machines are everywhere, each one designed for a specific task. But among all this impressive equipment, one machine stands out for its versatility and strength. That machine is the excavator, an essential workhorse that's become the backbone of modern farming operations. It's more than a digger, it's a problem solver made of steel, with a long, articulated arm, a powerful bucket, and a cab that rotates a full 360 degrees for unmatched reach and control. This design allows it to tackle jobs that would be impossible for other machines. The operator, from their command center of levers and pedals, can scrape a thin layer of dirt, dig out a massive boulder, or even perform delicate maneuvers with equal precision. It's a blend of human skill and mechanical might. This unique combination of raw power and fine-tuned control makes the excavator invaluable, not just for big jobs, but for the smallest, most detailed tasks as well. While you might picture excavators on city construction sites, their role on the farm is just as critical. In fact, many farmers rely on them every day. Farmers use them to dig drainage ditches, clear fence lines, remove stubborn tree stumps, and even repair roads or pathways that wind through the fields. They build ponds for livestock, shape the land for better irrigation, and handle jobs that demand serious muscle and precision. The excavator handles hundreds of tons of earth, rock, and debris, managing the very ground the farm is built on. It's the tool that makes large-scale changes possible, from leveling fields to clearing storm damage. When you see one resting in a field, remember, it's more than equipment, it's a symbol of the farmer's ability to shape their world, adapt to challenges, and keep the land productive. It's the tool that takes on the toughest jobs, making everything else possible. From digging trenches for water lines to moving mountains of earth for new crops, the excavator is the unsung hero of the modern American farm, working alongside tractors and harvesters to keep everything running smoothly. It transforms challenges into opportunities, day in and day out, no matter the weather or the season. The excavator is the powerful heart that keeps the farm pumping, its engine and hydraulics working tirelessly to get the job done. No matter how dirty the job or how tough the conditions, the excavator gets it done, proving every day why it's truly indispensable on the American farm. On this farm, the mission is clear: to rebuild battered farm roads, long, rugged stretches of dirt and gravel that have seen better days. These roads are the lifelines of the land, connecting fields, barns, and homes, but years of use and harsh weather have left them in desperate need of rescue. Heavy rains have carved deep ruts and soft spots, turning travel into a muddy, hazardous ordeal. Vehicles get stuck, equipment bogs down, and every trip becomes a challenge, especially when the weather refuses to cooperate. The plan is ambitious: haul and spread nearly 1,000 tons of crushed concrete, which is about 2 million pounds, to create a solid, lasting base. This material will transform the road from a muddy mess into a reliable route for all kinds of farm traffic. This isn't a patch job, it's a full-scale resurfacing covering thousands of feet. Every inch of the road will be rebuilt from the ground up, ensuring a strong foundation for years to come. The goal is a road that stands up to weather and heavy machinery for years. A road that can handle the weight of tractors, trucks, and harvesters, no matter the season. Bad roads trap water, turning into rivers of mud and accelerating erosion. When water can't drain, it eats away at the roadbed, making every problem worse and threatening the land itself. The solution? Build up the road and create a crown, a slight arch in the middle so water runs off instead of pooling. Proper drainage is the key to a road that lasts, protecting both the surface and the soil beneath. Dumping rock isn't enough. This is a carefully planned operation requiring precision and power. Every layer must be placed just right, compacted and shaped to perfection. The team must move all that material from a stockpile to where it's needed, sometimes miles away. It's a logistical puzzle, demanding coordination and teamwork at every step. It's a true test of both machines and people. Every operator, every driver, every laborer plays a crucial role in making this project a success. Every load, every pass is a battle against mud, weight, and the elements. The weather can change in an instant, turning progress into struggle. The project is more than fixing a road. It's about taming the land. It's about restoring access, protecting the farm, and building something that will last for generations. This is where the real work begins. Each scoop of gravel, each pass of the grader, brings the vision closer to reality. And it's a job only the toughest machines and the most determined crew can handle. The road's future depends on their skill, grit, and relentless effort. No single machine can tackle this job alone. It's a team effort, where every piece of equipment brings its own unique strengths to the table. Building a road from scratch is a massive undertaking, and it takes a coordinated fleet to get the job done right. The star of the show is the Volvo 350 excavator, a true powerhouse, scooping up tons of crushed concrete from the stockpile with ease. Its massive arm and bucket make quick work of even the toughest material, setting the pace for the entire operation. Next, the dump truck takes over, hauling each heavy load across the farm. With careful maneuvering, it spreads the material with impressive precision, making sure every inch of the roadbed gets covered evenly. The motor grader follows close behind, using its long, adjustable blade to smooth and shape the road. It's responsible for building that crucial crown in the center, which helps water drain away and keeps the road strong for years to come. Then comes the roller, finishing the job by compacting the surface into a dense, durable base. Its weight and vibration lock everything in place, ensuring the road can handle whatever comes its way. Sometimes, a nimble skid steer jumps in to help with cleanup and those small but important tasks that keep the site running smoothly. Each machine has a vital role, working in perfect sync like an assembly line. Timing and teamwork are everything. One step flows right into the next. The excavator loads, the truck hauls, the grader shapes, and the roller locks it all in. It's a seamless process with every operator relying on the others to keep things moving. It's a mechanical symphony, turning a broken path into a proper road. The transformation is dramatic, and it happens right before your eyes. Every operator is a specialist, trained to handle their machine with skill and care. With each pass, the project moves closer to completion, and every detail matters. This teamwork is what makes the impossible possible. When machines and people work together, there's no limit to what can be achieved. Together, these machines transform the land, reshaping the landscape and building the foundation for the future. That's the power of a well-coordinated crew, machines and people, united by a common goal, making progress possible. The road-building journey starts at a mountain of crushed concrete. The excavator's operator climbs in, fires up the engine, and swings the arm toward the pile. With practiced skill, the bucket plunges in, scooping up several tons of rock. Sometimes the operator breaks up oversized chunks to prevent jams in the dump truck. Each scoop is a blend of power and precision, filling the truck in about 5 passes. The excavator repeats this rhythm: scoop, swing, dump, load after load. Efficient loading sets the pace for the entire project. The operator manages the pile, watches for trouble, and keeps the trucks moving. Every full bucket is a step closer to a finished road. This is where transformation begins, turning a static pile into a mobile resource. The excavator's relentless work is the heartbeat of the operation. It all starts here. Once the dump truck is loaded, its journey begins across rough farm terrain. The driver navigates gates, obstacles, and soft spots, hauling a massive shifting load. Every trip is a careful balance of speed and caution to avoid getting stuck. The dump truck is the lifeline, ensuring a steady flow of material to the road crew. Arriving at the site, the driver raises the bed and spreads the crushed concrete in a smooth, even layer. The process is repeated dozens of times, each load building up the new road. Communication is key. Drivers and operators coordinate to keep the project moving. It's a marathon of hauling, spreading, and returning for more. The dump truck's constant loop is the backbone of progress. Every load counts, every mile matters. The teamwork keeps the operation efficient and on track. One truckload at a time, the road takes shape. After dumping, the road is just a rough pile. Enter the motor grader. The grader's blade sculpts the crushed concrete into a smooth, even surface. The operator shaves high spots, fills low ones, and ensures consistent depth. The most critical task, building the crown, a subtle arch that lets water run off. Without it, the road would quickly erode and turn to mud. The grader makes dozens of passes, perfecting the surface. Precision and patience are key. Every adjustment matters. The grader and dump truck work in sync, one shaping while the other delivers. This teamwork transforms a lumpy mess into a functional roadbed. The grader's artistry is what makes the road last. It's the difference between a temporary fix and a road built to endure. The final step, compaction. The roller, a heavy machine with a massive steel drum, presses the crushed concrete into a solid base. Each pass squeezes out air pockets and locks the rocks together. Sometimes, vibration helps settle the material even more. The operator overlaps each pass, ensuring every inch is compacted. The difference is immediate, a smooth, hard surface ready for farm traffic. Compaction is slow but essential for durability. After the roller's final pass, the road is transformed from muddy track to reliable pathway. This is the culmination of all the hard work. The farm now has a road built to last. Working outdoors means battling the elements. Rain can halt the operation, turning the ground to mud and making compaction impossible. Wet, crushed concrete clings to the roller, ruining the surface. When this happens, the team adapts, shifting focus to drier areas or hauling material until conditions improve. Storms bring more than rain. Strong winds can topple trees, blocking access and forcing the crew to clear paths before work resumes. Flexibility is essential. Plans change with the weather. Every delay is a chance to problem solve and keep moving forward. Building a road is more than mechanics. It's about resilience and adaptability. The team reacts to every challenge, finding ways to stay productive. Overcoming mud, rain, and fallen trees makes the finished road even more rewarding. Nature fights back, but determination wins the day. That's the reality of farm work. When the last load is spread and the roller makes its final pass, the new road stands as proof of hard work and teamwork. The excavator was the project's backbone, lifting and moving hundreds of tons to make it all possible. Its value goes beyond roads, digging ponds, clearing brush, and shaping the land for countless farm needs. The operators are skilled professionals, not just button pushers. Communication and adaptability keep the project running smoothly, even when nature throws a curveball. The excavator empowers farmers to manage and improve their land. It's a tool that makes the farm more efficient, productive, and resilient. By building roads and shaping the landscape, the excavator secures the future of American agriculture. It's a dirty, demanding job, but it keeps our farms running and our country fed. The story of the road is the story of the machines and people who built it. That's the true backbone of the farm.